After 33 years of building agencies and training thousands of producers, I can tell you the most common pattern I see. You don't own an agency, you are the agency. You're the memory, the rainmaker, the hiring department, the accountability system. Remove you for 30 days and growth doesn't just slow, it stops. And if that stings a little, well good, because that's not a work ethic problem. It's an architecture problem. And today I want to show you how to fix it without working 20 more hours a week. Hi there, I'm Randy Schwantz and welcome to the Big Nation channel, the home of the triple threat solution, sales training, sales CRM, and sales management platform, all in one integrated system. So let's be honest about what's really happening. You walk in the door and before 10 a.m., you've already handled a fire claim, an underwriter issue, and a personnel conflict. And then there's your personal book, because your book isn't optional. Your income lives there. So when time gets tight, producer development is what gets cut. Not because you don't care, but because you can't risk the revenue. And that's where the trap closes. You've tried training programs, a CRM, maybe even coaching. And what happened? It worked for 6 weeks. And then everyone drifted back to what they were doing before. So your brain reached a rational conclusion. If I don't personally drive it, it doesn't happen. And that conclusion made sense based upon your experience. But it's also the ceiling, not the market, it's not the carriers. It's the belief that it can't be systematized. And that belief is the ceiling. But here's what most agency owners miss. They don't have a talent problem. You have an environment problem. The top quartile of agencies pull from the same talent pool, yet their hiring success rate is dramatically higher. What's different? They built infrastructure. They stopped being the system and actually installed one. And right now, your agency runs on personality, on instinct, on tribal knowledge, which means growth expands and contracts based upon your availability. And that's not leadership. That's structural dependency. And dependency destroys your agency valuation. Now, imagine a different reality. Monday mornings, your accountability meeting runs like clockwork. 30 minutes, not 90. Every producer reports against clear KPIs. They're already logged, already visible. You're not asking, hey, what'd you do last week? You're reviewing reality. When someone's struggling, you don't guess, you see it. Close ratios slipping, pipeline thinning, you flag it. You schedule a focused coaching session and then you move on. There's no drama, there's no guesswork. Now imagine your producers don't need you to be the hero anymore, because they have a playbook. They know exactly how you expect business to be won. Pre-call strategy, wedge out the incumbent, keystone to present it, close it, and then put your written service plan in place. It's documented, repeatable, and consistent. They execute without needing you to hold their hand. So what does that give you back? Time. You're no longer spending hours trying to motivate producers or fix broken sales behavior. You're checking dashboards, having strategic coaching conversations, making owner-level decisions. And your personal book grows because you finally have time to work on it. And your carriers are happier because your producers are feeding them what they want. And your shareholders are happy because the agency's growing 15% organically. And when a buyer or your next generation of leadership looks at this agency, they see a system that runs, not a founder they can't replace. And that's what moves your multiple from 10x to 15x. You're not working 80 hours weeks just to keep from falling apart. Your agency becomes a machine. And when you eventually exit through sale or perpetuation, you've built something worth far more because it doesn't depend on you. Now, if you're like most owners, you're probably thinking, hey Randy, I've tried systems, I bought the CRM, I built processes, and nobody followed them. The producers pushed back, they said it was bureaucracy, they wanted flexibility, and so you abandoned it. And that's normal. Most systems fail because they're built while you're already underwater, half designed, no real conviction behind them. And when producers resist, you cave. Or maybe you're thinking this, what if I invest the time and the money and it still doesn't work? What if I build infrastructure and producers still underperform? Well, that's a real legitimate fear. But here's the hard truth. The alternative is staying where you are. And where you are isn't working. Growth is slow, your top producers carry the load, your middle 60%, they coast, and you're exhausted trying to keep all the plates spinning. So let me show you what actually works. It's not theory, not a framework, 5 foundations. Number 1, a documented sales process. You can't delegate what you haven't documented. So step 1 is building a flight plan. Let me show you what I mean. It's how we prospect. It's how we prepare. It's how we go on the sales call and wedge. It's how we propose, present, win it, wedge proof it, and then get our partners in and cross-sell. Every step defined, and now you can train against it, coach against it, and then measure compliance. Producers stop making it up as they go. And then second, crisp sales meetings, not spreadsheet Liars Club meetings. I'm talking about real strategy sessions, sessions that help producers beat the incumbent. What do I mean? Let me show you. Here's Charlie. That's your producer. He's going after Prestige Gun Night. You got Bob and Sam are the buyers. It's written right now with a guy named John over at Andrade Agency. $10,000 in revenue or whatever that number is. Now you take Charlie and say, hey, Charlie's the things you do that John doesn't do is where Bob and Sam are being underserved but don't know it. Do you agree with me on that? He goes, yeah. Well, good. So if Bob and Sam have John, tell me this. Why do they need you? And then it's this point, you make Charlie define and then defend how he's better than John. When you do that, less quoting, more winning. And then you also get visibility without a bunch of manual reporting, activity, pipeline health, conversion metrics, appointments, qualifying rate, closing rate, average size account they're writing, new business written. It's all there. Easy to manage, easy to lead. And then fourth, training systems that you can scale because it's built into a system. Goal setting, learning differentiation in black and white terms, how to prospect 2 different ways, preparing to win and go beat the incumbent, a sales process called the wedge designed to bust the incumbent relationship, a strategy to retain by having documented deliverables, and then the ability to measure success and know exactly how you're doing. With this, development becomes systematic. There's programs, modules, workshops. Training is a machine, not just an event. And then fifth, coaching protocols, not just random check-ins, but specific responses to specific problems. Closing ratios down, there's a sales protocol. Pipeline thin, there's a prospecting protocol. There's no reinventing the wheel, it's all there. Now, here's the reality. You could try to build all of this for yourself and by yourself. I spent 33 years doing exactly that so that you don't have to. And that's why Big Nation exists. It turns this framework into execution. Technology built for commercial insurance. Training designed for real producers that have to compete against real incumbents. Coaching systems that make meetings matter, not just reports, a machine. And I've watched owners cut meeting time in half. I've seen them drop their work week by 20 hours and grow faster at the same time. Not because they worked harder, but because the system carried the load. If you're tired of being pulled in 100 directions, if growth still feels stuck even though you're working harder than ever, you don't need more motivation. You need a system that works without you being the engine. And Big Nation is the full system, but it starts with how you lead. And that's what 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a sales operating system that makes everything else work. So you start with the fundamentals. You commit to agency growth in a way that changes how your agency functions. You install the playbook, so it's there. You train like crazy for skills, just like if they're a bunch of athletes. You coach in a way that helps people win, so that you get repeatable performance, and then you develop people into true million-dollar producers. So if you're ready to lead differently and not just manage harder, go to 5steg.com. That's 5steg.com and get started with the lessons that will actually move the needle in your agency. Because the best agency owners don't just work harder, they lead better.